Polaris Scrambler 500, so stay tuned. Be sure and like and subscribe. We'll try and blow the tires off this thing in four-wheel drive or something. This shit was a 2-stroke, 4-stroke, guys. I think it's a 500, not a 400 2-stroke, but boy, all them 100 extra cc's ain't gonna make up for them last 2 strokes. Told y'all a long time ago, number 1 rule, bring extra cash. They got me another one back there with it. Just a little brand new shiny blue China bike, man. So I ran out there to get this bad boy for 900 bucks, mind you. And this little, I don't really care for Chinese ATVs, but when this thing's sitting there looking new, you got to ask them what they got to get for it. He said 150, and I would have given, I'd have given it to him. But I was like, what about another 100 bucks? And we just called 1,000 on both of them. And he said he would do that. So that's how we end up with this fake wrap. It's a 150cc. Should be a fun little ride for cheap. The Scrambler's in good shape, boys. Let me unload these solo dolo. Guys, this happens a lot, but one of my wholesale customers is looking at buying this, and so I'm gonna have to get you a quick video on it because it ain't gonna be here long. 500cc 4-stroke. They made a 400cc 2-stroke that I personally liked better, and it also had high and low. The 4-strokes only have forward and reverse. Four-wheel drive works. I said I paid $900 for that machine, and one of my wholesale buyers is coming after it for $1,800. And if I wanted to list it, I could probably get $22,000 to $27.50 out of it, just depending on how long I was willing to hold it. But it's all about making money now, not later. So smart thing to do is sell it. Only the handbrake works. So I'll try and pop a wheelie on it, but I ain't trying to, ride one. Keep that in mind. All right, how old are you, boy?
9.
Go slow, son. Let me see you use the brake. Use it. Go easy, son. Go ahead. Let's see you use the brake. There you go. All right, go pull it over to the shop, and when you park it, just turn the key off, okay? All right. Easy, boy. Yeah, those were just in case. This guy's trying to load it up all. I almost just pushed down on the other side. Take the plug, put it here. Got it? Still start?
Yeah.
Alright. Ain't that bad, right?
Yeah.
Look
Did it scare you?
Well, I thought you was gonna cry. I thought he was gonna cry, boys, but this one chance I was gonna take. So you guys be sure and like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. And me and the little man, me and Ray Gone, we're gonna finish that blue quad, get the carb done on it, get a new battery in it, and he's gonna test ride it around. We'll give you a little review on that GY6 and explanation on how to tune them up and everything else. So we're gonna finish that video today, but thanks for watching this one.